It was a second job gaming with Sebastian and Ninothol, playing Age of Engineering. We're about to enter into the Industrial Age, getting ready to finish off the hammer that will trigger it now. Nine decided to go back down and diggy hole himself, because that's what he does. So, got my treated sticks here, got my 5 ingots, and we have a forge hammer, says it triggers Age 1. And check out the pretty trophy that I will stick on top of the coke oven. Look at that prettiness. Pretty.
Yeah, I'll have to go shortly.
So now to continue on with this one, the book tells us that we need to make a macerator. Let's look at that one. Okay, macerator requires power. Yeah. Okay, 8 iron plates. And one of those, so 9 iron plates, some copper. Alright, so we need those shears. What are those things called anyway? There's an easier way to look at it, man. Macerator. Yep, nope, not that one. This one. Cutters. Alright, so 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 of them, huh? So 14 ingots. So once we get all this stuff taken care of and start the plates, we will be back. Alright, so we got our hammer made, we got our cutters made. We are working on getting the rest of this thing done. Yep. 2 cobblestone and some flints. No flints.
There should be flints. Most likely the top one.
Nope. Don't see any. None
You
in the
moved
middle. Yeah, probably.
Because they were there. There's a whole bunch of gravel, so make it yourself.
Fine, I will.
But I don't know what happened to them because they were there.
Probably used them to make the arrows to start with.
Yeah, possible.
It's okay. Don't need that much, so. Flint. Wait, nope. The flints are up here, right? Yeah. You got those diamonds for me? There you are.
I kept trying to give them to you.
Hey!
It's funny. I mined them, but you got the achievement. But you've done the other achievements. I must be lacking some somewhere.
It's an ingot. Finally, it's an ingot. And now for 2 cobblestone. Of course. 1 macerator ready to go.
Make sure you know where exactly you want to put that thing.
Right on.
Because we have to have...
Right in my backpack for now.
The power source laid out. Got it. He's still a low power critter, isn't he?
Yeah. Alright, so go back to read the book. So what will be a good thing for EU? Early game solid power options include the normal generator. Besides the normal generator, solar panels, wind turbines, and later semi-fluid. So generator. Let's find out what that does. Coal generators, reinforced stone. Takes a calculator, can't do that one.
Got all these different mobs that don't know what their power source is.
RE battery, which we can do that. So you want to just make a... Oof. Five, 8. It's going to be 8 anyway, so I might as well do that one. Yeah. It's pretty much the same thing. And a battery. Alright, so 10. Gonna need some tin. Got lots of it, so drop it into my inventory. Melt quick. Nope. It's going fast. Okay. Alright, so we need to do this. And we need more tin. Did it again. Come on, tin.
Throw some of these seeds inside the, I guess your chest thing over here, or do you have specific things you want in here?
You know I'm just a dumper.
Well, we know that.
Alright, so we got those guys for that one. Alright, so at the industrial craft generator.
Since we're still producing tons of seeds, might as well throw them over here so that we have access to them, because there are a few different applications for extraneous seeds.
Mm-hmm. So 8, so we need 16 of these ingots. Nope, 15. So I already got one made.
Pardon?
14, 13. I'm just trying to do the math on how many iron ingots I need to make so I can get this generator started. The generator should power it sitting right next to it. So that'll be okay. So that's 9. So I got 1. I need 8. So that's 16. 9. 14. 5 more. That should do it. Wait, 4 more because I didn't get there already. Come on over here, see if there's any more rubber ready to go. Nope. Where does he keep going? Way over here, huh? Launched it.
Well, it gets jammed in there and you pull and it boing. It's rubber just shoots out.
That's hilarious. So, the entire process of getting this thing done is not too horribly difficult, but it is time consuming. So, have yourself some preparation ready to go. We should be able to snip one of those guys now. Make me a tin cable from my battery. Got those guys 2 redstones, and we have the battery made. Battery done. 3 iron plates and an iron furnace, which is 5 of those, Anna. Yeah, so 5, 8 irons. And enough cobblestone to make another furnace. So, almost done with that. Moving right along, we got 1 block and 4 ingots, so 1 block, 1 ingot, 2 ingots, 3 ingots, 4 ingots. And wait for this guy over here to finish up. And we'll be moving along. Okay. Bring it all back over here. Make it back into ingots. Get my ingots together. Put down the hammer first. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep, good. Drop that out. Pull him up here. Make my machine case in. Do that. Put the furnace below it. Put the battery on top of it. Got a generator. And a macerator. Alright, time for some power. Where do you think a good place is to put this, man?
No idea. I guess we don't have to worry about the weather.
Not too much.
I haven't seen it rain here at all.
It didn't rain, it just got cloudy.
Yeah.
Made me run for the hills. Alright, so why don't we then come on over here.
Yeah, that means I'm probably going to still have to put up a wall around this place just for the...
Alright, so chunk boundaries. Now, how about this chunk here?
We don't want to go too far away.
Well, you got your trees in the middle of this thing.
They can be cut down. Whatever. Don't like my trees. Try to make things look nice.
So picky. Alright, so put it down here then.
I don't like walking, 9 miles just to process metals.
Well, then tell me where you want it.
Not over there.
Well, then don't say I don't know.
I mean, you made this huge platform. What's it for?
It's just a
You
platform.
made it. You told me.
It's just a platform. It's
that
got
you're
some
putting
storage stuff
materials
in there.
on.
It's got some basic storage. Just nothing super right now.
Okay. So if you're storing stuff over here, then we're going to want to store metals and ores and whatnot. So we're going to be processing it here where the storage is. So somewhere over here, or closer to it.
It's a good idea.
And whether you use this platform or you make another one now.
Just get on with it then. Alright, so we got this guy. Drop some coal into it. I don't have any coal. wrong bag. There we go. Look at the EU buildup. Well, macerator will double our ores, so not too slow. Pretty noisy though.
Pardon?
Yeah.
There is a another macerator, but that's the problem. It makes that go even further, but you need another machine. Another machine. Does that make directly into iron?
Well, if we have a blast furnace, then we'll be able to make steel. It does not make it directly into iron, it makes it into crushed iron ore.
Okay, so we would need.
And we can put it in the, should be able to put it in this thing over here. Let's see. Yeah, it's working. So we have use for this thing still.
Well, it's like you can process that and you can process it again. You need like an ore cleaner.
Yeah, ore washer.
Yeah, so I guess it just depends on how much you want to do.
Right.